Hi. Nice to meet you, Mark.
Same there.
Tonight, this is kind of a surprise, but we have a special opportunity to hang out and meet Mr. Yasser Safas. And he has this incredible 150-year-old mansion in the countryside, in a village. So we've been invited for dinner tonight. And then, yeah, what a location. It's like a castle.
Simple and homemade and desi.
Wow.
What is it, Usman? Chicken?
Nice.
This is like local chicken, like what do you call it? Desi chicken, organic.
Desi chicken?
Organic,
chicken?
yeah. And this is mutton. This is mutton.
Okay.
This is also like our local wheat.
Salad.
Yeah, this is also spinach.
Okay.
But generally the spinach, which is generally eaten with this.
Thank you. Yeah.
And like used to be considered. Now it's not. If it gets cold, then it doesn't
Thank you.
remain very good.
Okay,
So
I'll try some of that sag,
So-
actually.
that's actually spinach and cheese.
We're all sitting down at the table in the dining room.
So एक भी मेरे जाने का.
Oh, wow. Oh, the mutton curry. Okay, next up to taste the sag, and that's eaten with the special cornbread, which is that thick cornbread. Oh yeah, oh it's so creamy, it's so like spinachy, but it's got that like silky like gooiness.
Chicken, I guess.
Oh, chicken.
No meat.
Next dish is chicken curry made with desi chicken, a local free range guy. Oh, and again, you can taste that texture. You can tell it has been running around.
The halwa you ate in the afternoon,
Yeah.
that was Punjabi, and this is from our
Right,
area.
and then for dessert, this region's version of halwa.